The AutoRAELite for QRAE II is an automated bump testing calibration station designed for performing bump test and calibration of the QRAE II monitors. It can be used on a tabletop, a flat surface, or mounted on a wall. In addition, it can be powered by either an AC adapter or 4 alkaline C-cell batteries. Before using the AutoRAELite for QRAE II, perform the following checkout. Make sure the calibration gas cylinder is attached and that the pressure gauge reads more than 50 psi. If it is powered by an AC adapter instead of batteries, make sure the AC adapter is plugged into an outlet and the power LED is glowing green. Make sure the air inlet is not blocked and that a filter is attached. If the QRAE II is a pump model, make sure an external filter is attached to the unit. If the QRAE II is a diffusion model, the diffusion adapter must be installed in the dock portion of the AutoRAELite for QRAE II before proceeding. The long tube and short central tube of the adapter mate directly with 2 receptacles in the dock. Turn on the QRAE II by pressing its mode button and holding it down. When its alarm beeps and characters are shown in the display, release your finger. After the QRAE II has started and displays a reading, firmly press the QRAE II face down in the dock of the AutoRAELite for QRAE II. Make sure the QRAE II is firmly seated in the dock. Slide the locking mechanism up so that the QRAE II is held in place. The 2 LEDs above the buttons should glow green. If not, make sure the QRAE II is firmly seated. If the service request lamp glows after you slide the locking mechanism, it is likely alerting you that the QRAE II has not been turned on. Remove it, turn it on, and place it again in the dock. Press bump to perform a bump test or press cal to perform a calibration. During a bump test or calibration, the LED above the buttons turns off and the bump status or cal status LED blinks and is orange in color. You will be alerted when the bump test or calibration is complete. When the 2 indicator LEDs above the buttons glow green, remove the QRAE II from the dock. A green LED indicates the bump test or calibration was successful. A red LED indicates the bump test or calibration failed. If a bump test or calibration fails, check the calibration gas pressure and try again. If it fails again, it is possible the sensor is depleted and must be replaced. When the bump test or calibration is complete, remove the QRAE II from the dock by pulling back on the locking mechanism to release the QRAE II straight out. When you remove the QRAE II from the dock, you may see the message PCCOM ready on the QRAE II's display. Press either key to leave this communication mode and the QRAE II is ready for monitoring.